Now we start with the working of the nervous system of earthworm. बेटा ਜਿਹੜੀ sensory neuron comprises, that is the epidermal sense organ receive the stimuli। मतलब इसਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ किस तरीके ਨਾਲ कि ਆਪਾਂ इसਨੂੰ समझਣ ਲਈ देखिए फिगर ध्यान ਨਾਲ कि here they receive the stimuli। ਇੱਥੇ receptor organ ਨੇ, that may be a skin है या कुछ भी है। तो then they receive the stimuli and the stimuli will be received by the receptor organ which having a nerve, that is sensory nerve fiber, axon of the sensory nerves। they take the message, impulse, sensory impulse, they later travel along the axon and we name is called as the afferent fibers, and they take the message to that of the central nervous system। here the sensory impulse is converted into the motor, okay? So that is a motor neuron is there, so motor unit ch convert ਕੀਤਾ and then by the motor neurons ਤੋਂ impulse ਜਿਹੜੀ relayed by the axon to that of the efferent fibers is through to the effector organ, and that effector organ may be muscle or may be glands। ਤਾਂ ਉਸ ਨਾਲ ਜਦੋਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਸਟਿਮੂਲਾਈ ਰਿਸਪੌਂਸ ਮਿਲਣਾ ਤਾਂ ਉਹਨੇ ਕਿ ਮਸਲਸ ਨੇ ਕੰਟਰੈਕਟ ਕਰਨਾ, ਅਤੇ ਜੇ ਗਲੈਂਡਸ ਹੋਣਗੀਆਂ ਤਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਆਪਣੀ ਸਕਰੀਸ਼ਨ ਕਰਨੀ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰ ਦੇਣੀ ਹੈ। this response is automatic or involuntary, and that's why it is called as a reflex action, ठीक है, and simply called reflex। the path which travel by a nerve, that is called as a reflex arc। that means a receptor organ to that of the sensory nerve, through axon to the central nervous system, then motor neurons and motor nerve efferent to that of the effector organ। ਇਹ ਸਾਰਾ path ਜਿਹੜਾ travel करे, that path is called as a reflex arc, ठीक है। this includes sensory neurons, synapse in the ganglion and motor neuron effector organ, ठीक है। impulse originate in one segment can bring muscle changes and musculature in other also in action। so with the help of associated nerves they send message to the ganglion of the neighboring segment also, ठीक है। so ਇਹ ਆਪਾਂ ਦੇਖੇਗਾ। and then peripharyngeal ganglion is a principal center of motor control unit या vital reflexes and dominate to all the succeeding segment। so ਦੇਖੇਗਾ कि all the movement ceases when subpharyngeal ganglion ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਸਨੂੰ destroy ਕਰਤਾ, ठीक है। that means motor control unit ही खराब हो गया, remove हो गया। but if it is a motor control continue normally work कर रहा है, जब आप brain remove कर दे, that means तो indicate है कि but ਇਹ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਕਿ ਜੇ worm but the worm which lost the brain is ability to correlate ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਪਾਉਂਦਾ ਫਿਰ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, condition environment ਦੇ ਨਾਲ। so the relation of subpharyngeal ganglion to brain is somewhat ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ analogous in relation with that of the medulla oblongata of a higher organism with that of the brain, ठीक है। so ਇਹ ਤਾਂ ਹੈ reflex section। then ਆਪਾਂ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ sense organs। earthworm ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ sense organs ਨੇ, and sense organ receive the external stimuli and quite simple ਨੇ structures according, and they may be single cell or may be multicellular। the tactile, olfactory and taste receptor are mostly same in structure wise and multicellular, whereas light sensitive organs or photoreceptor are unicellular। now we start first with that of the tactile organ। ਜਿਹੜੇ tactile organs ਨੇ they are like this, they having a specialized type of these are the sensory cells। so they are sensory cells and sensory cell ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿ ਰਹੇ ਕਿ they are sensory cells, center ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ broad ਹੈ, ਬਾਅਦ ਚੋਂ tapers down, and ਉਹਦੇ ਇੱਕ ਪਾਸੇ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ cuticle ਦੇ ਬਾਹਰਲੇ ਪਾਸੇ they having long hair, and in the other side they having a nerve impulse, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। but along with that ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਨੂੰ support ਕੌਣ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ, these long cells they are called as a supporting cells, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। so supporting cell, sensory cell having a nucleus and lie on the basement membrane, and ਜਿਹੜੀ ਇਹ nerve impulse ਇਹ generate ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। so it is a tactile, and tactile means touch। they are epidermal receptor cell we ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, they are numerous in number all over the body, but they are more common at the anterior side and the posterior side, ठीक है, clear। ਤੇ ਈ ਸੈਂਸਰੀ ਸਰ ਮੈਂ ਦੱਸ ਸਕਿਆ ਦੇ ਆਰ ਪ੍ਰੀ ਨਰਵ ਐਂਡਿੰਗ ਹੈ, ਇਸ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਉਹ ਨਰਵ ਇੰਪਲਸ ਜਨਰੇਟ ਕਰਦੇ। ਸੈਕਿੰਡ ਹੈ olfactory and taste receptor, again structurally almostly they resemble but they lie in the buccal epithelium, structure same है पर buccal epithelium ਚ lie ਕਰਨਗੇ and that's why it is also called as a buccal receptors, ठीक है। and they are sensitive to chemical as well as those of the enable them to smell and taste the food. After that there is a third type of receptor that is called as a photoreceptor, and photoreceptor jehda hai it is a structurally it is a single cell, ठीक है। so that is a here and there they having sporting cell and they having long pear shaped large cell, ठीक है, having a well developed nucleus, numerous deep part of the epidermis but they are most numerous on the prostomium but occur other part they ਆਪਾਂ ਦੇਖਦੇ this is a cell that is called receptor cell, is a pear shaped and they having well developed nucleus and clear cytoplasm. In the cytoplasm they having curved this, so in the cytoplasm they having curved this structure called as optic organelle called as a lens. So lens ਜਿਹੜੇ focus the light rays coming from the any angle ਜਿੱਧਰੋਂ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਆ ਰਹੇ into the by a neurofiber that lie in part of the cell. Neurofiber may be like to that of the retina ਦੇ ਬਰਾਬਰ ਆਪਾਂ neural fibers ਜਿਹੜੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮੰਨ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਇਹ neural fibers ਨੇ ਕਰੇ and they take the message to the brain. Photoreceptor enable the worm to detect change in the intensity of light. So ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ nerve plexuses ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆ ਐਪੀਡਰਮਿਸ 'ਚ ਪਏ and proper receptors are also present. ਜੇ ਜਰਨਲਾਈਜ਼ ਤੌਰ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਬਿਹੇਵੀਅਰ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੀਏ ਤਾਂ ਬਿਹੇਵੀਅਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਅਰਥਵਾਰਮ ਅਵੋਇਡਸ ਸਟਰੋਂਗ ਲਾਈਟ ਬਟ ਕੈਨ ਟੋਲਰੇਟ ਡਿਮ ਲਾਈਟ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਪਹਿਲਾ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ। अर्ली मॉर्निंग इन द डार्क दे क्विकली विड्रॉ वैन द फ्लैश ऑफ लाइट ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਉਹਦੇ 'ਤੇ ਪਾਈ ਜਾਵੇ। they do not respond the red light, they respond very low and very high temperature by deep inside the burrow ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰਲੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਮੂਵ ਕਰ ਜਾਂਦਾ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। they contract when touch, ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹ ਤਾਂ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ। avoid strong chemical but like or move toward the food, they like moisture and avoid dryness but leave the burrow if it is filled with water, rainy season ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ। The earthworm show a preference of certain food if it is offered a variety of food, so that it is known as learn by training. So ਇਹ ਸੀ all about the sense organs and reflex action of the earthworm. Next ਆਪਾਂ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ that of the circulatory system, excretory system and reproductive system. ਇਹ ਤਿੰਨ system ਰਹਿੰਦੇ which is are again very important.